Good morning, Rancho students. I hope you're all doing well. I wanted to talk to you today about a special month. April is National Poetry Month. So if we were at school, our Book Scouts activity for this month would be, or I should say is, to write a poem and illustrate it. But writing poetry is kind of fun. It doesn't have to rhyme and it doesn't have to be very long, which is an advantage for a lot of you. In fact, one of my favorite poetry forms is the haiku, which is only 3 lines and it has a pattern. The first line has 5 syllables, the second line has 7 syllables, and the third line has 5 syllables. And usually it's a Japanese form of poetry and usually is written about nature or observations in nature or about an animal. So today I thought I'd show you how I decided to write a poem about my favorite flower in the garden, which is the lilac. And here's my lilac bush. So let's now go inside my studio and I'll show you what I've been working on. So here is my work table. And yesterday I picked one of my lilacs along with some other flowers, a freesia and some forget-me-nots. And I came in and decided I would draw a picture to illustrate my haiku about lilacs. Here are my paints that I painted with. And as you can see, I mixed a lot of different colors of purple. And then, first of all, I did a sketch in pencil of the lilac, carefully observing how lilac clusters of petals and flowers are formed. And then I painted it in carefully with many colors of purple paint. So you could show like the dark part behind and the light part in the front and gave it a little bit of depth. And then I put in some of the leaves. And then I penciled in my poem. I decided I would use paint to go over the lines because it had a nice flow to it as opposed to a pen. So my haiku says, favorite flowers, lilacs blooming in my yard. I smell them and sneeze. So I would love to see you guys write some poems and send them in to me at my email maybe. Every one of you who does it will get an Eagle card. I guess you'll have to ask your parents to write the Eagle card, and then I will count it towards the total number of Eagle cards you get, so we can recognize you on Welcome Wednesday. All right, have fun writing a poem. Bye.